Welcome to the Case Study Learning Series in International Business by Skilled MBA. In this session, we explore how the LEGO Group is navigating its commitment to sustainability while preserving its product integrity. As LEGO targets 100% sustainable materials by 2032, this case outlines the company's milestones, setbacks, and the strategic journey toward a greener future. Pre-2014, LEGO had early sustainability initiatives, though not highly visible. 2014, the Shell partnership controversy marked an environmental awakening. 2015-2023, LEGO developed a robust sustainable materials program. 2024, a new chief sustainability officer was appointed following a setback. This journey has combined progress with increasing environmental scrutiny. LEGO produces over 2.1 billion elements annually and aims for 100% sustainable materials by 2032. So far, over 70 materials have been tested. In 2023, LEGO paused its recycled PET project, highlighting the technical complexity in developing sustainable yet high-quality alternatives. LEGO had a long-standing partnership with Shell since the 1960s. A Greenpeace campaign, featuring a viral video of an oil spill in an Arctic LEGO world, sparked international criticism. The backlash led LEGO to end its partnership with Shell in October 2014. This became a defining moment in LEGO's shift toward environmental accountability. In 2021, LEGO introduced a promising recycled PT prototype. However, it failed to meet durability and safety standards. The project was paused in 2023, and the media questioned LEGO's commitment. This underscored the challenge of balancing sustainability with product quality. Biopolyethylene, made from sugarcane, used for plants and trees, but represents only 2% of total elements. Paper-based packaging, FSC-certified boxes and instructions, eliminated plastic bags in 2021. Experimental materials. R&D continues with bio-based polymers and molding technologies. Progress is ongoing, but remains a small part of total output. Sustainability innovations must meet LEGO's demanding standards. Clutch power. Bricks must connect securely, but separate easily. Durability. Must withstand decades of play without damage. Temperature resistance must remain stable across global climates. Color consistency. Brightness must last without fading. These performance needs make material innovation highly complex. LEGO must satisfy multiple groups. Consumers want sustainability without compromising quality. Investors expect transparency and progress on ESG. Environmental NGOs scrutinize claims and flag greenwashing. Employees seek purpose-driven leadership on environmental goals. Meeting all expectations while preserving brand value is a balancing act. LEGO outpaces traditional competitors in sustainability, but faces pressure from smaller eco-friendly toy makers. The industry shift toward green alternatives is reshaping consumer preferences and competitive dynamics. LEGO's sustainability strategy now extends across its value chain. Energy efficiency, carbon-neutral factory operations, and renewable energy investments. Waste reduction. Goal of zero landfill waste by 2025. LEGO Replay for recycling bricks. Supply chain. Supplier code of conduct and carbon footprint tracking. Educational impact. Build a Better Planet campaign promotes awareness among children. Authentic leadership. LEGO prioritizes genuine practices. Transparent communication. The company shares both progress and setbacks openly. Avoiding greenwashing. Messaging is designed to be accurate and not misleading. This transparency builds trust while managing reputational risks. LEGO faces a tightening global regulatory environment, EU directives, bans on single-use plastics, and green claim scrutiny. Producer responsibility. Obligations across the product lifecycle. Emissions, reporting, mandatory environmental impact disclosures. Compliance is both a challenge and an opportunity for leadership. LEGO is investing in multiple innovation areas: bio-based polymers, sustainable materials derived from renewables, circular economy models, systems that extend product life cycles, nanoengineering, enhancing properties at the molecular level. These efforts aim to overcome quality challenges and scale sustainable production. LEGO's path offers valuable insights. Early commitment: set ambitious goals proactively. Iterative approach: learn from failure and evolve. Stakeholder engagement: include diverse voices early. Quality balance: don't sacrifice core product excellence. These principles apply to any company facing sustainability transitions. Technical innovation: breakthroughs will come through long-term R&D. Authentic communication: transparency enhances brand credibility. Purpose alignment: sustainability must support LEGO's mission to inspire children. This journey reflects the complexity of transforming a legacy product while honoring its values. Thank you for joining this session in the Case Study Learning Series in International Business by Skilled MBA. LEGO's sustainability story highlights the real-world challenges of material innovation, stakeholder pressure, and environmental accountability, while reinforcing how values can drive both purpose and performance in global business.